We're at a time and place where the Army is at that reflection point and they're looking at any and all options of how can we train Army aviators.
They're looking for opportunities, and I believe that Bell has the right solution for them.
The 505 is truly the right aircraft choice and solution for the military training program. The capability and the flexibility of the aircraft, as well as the reliability, is what's key.
The aircraft saves them on maintenance. It saves them on fuel costs. It's an aircraft that allows for basic piloting and giving confidence to our pilot. This aircraft provides all of that and more.
We genuinely want to see the Army succeed. We want to bring them the best that we can.
The kind of pilots that we're getting, we owe them an aircraft and a training program that ensures their success in a modern battlefield.
And the team at Bell is 100% behind that, and it's really a refreshing place to be. We are all strategically aligned in our approach to solving this problem for the Army.